Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. May 2013, what a month for weather in Oklahoma. Deadly tornadoes, a late damaging freeze, and rain, rain, rain. Our thoughts and prayers and giving continue to reach out to those suffering from the recent severe weather events. While not as sudden, folks in western Oklahoma are suffering from a continuing severe drought. For the last 30 days through Wednesday afternoon, June 5th, the rainfall in the western sections of Oklahoma hovered between 3/4 of an inch and 2 inches. The yellow and tan areas on the west side of the state had from 2.5 to 4 inches of rain. Moving east, the areas colored bright and dark purple saw 8 or more inches of rain. The highest 30-day rainfall for a Mesonet site was 16 47/100 recorded at Oklahoma City East. As a percent of normal rainfall, the blue areas had close to twice their normal May rainfall. The pale green areas were in the middle, close to normal. The bright orange and red areas had 40% of normal or less. Looking back 60 days from June 5th, Oklahoma City shows up as a blue circle, twice their normal rainfall. The bright green colored areas were at 120 to 160% of normal. The bright orange and red colored areas had a measly 40% or less of their normal rainfall. For the current water year that began on October 1st, there are only a few green colored areas that come in above normal. The olive area in central and eastern Oklahoma received between 80 and 100% of normal. The yellow areas are between 60 and 80% of normal. The orange areas 40 to 60% of normal. So as we look back to the beginning of fall, through the winter and spring, the western quarter of Oklahoma continues to suffer, now beginning their third summer growing season with extremely low rainfall and growing concerns about water supplies. The break between the wetter east and the drier west really shows up in a map of plant available water from the surface down to 16 inches. The brown areas in the west have low numbers below an inch. Moving east, the numbers pop up close to or above 4 inches of water available for plants, the green areas in the map. Warmer temperatures go with drier conditions, and the drier western parts of the state have seen a number of days at 90 degrees or more. Altus in the dark red areas had 20. The count for most locations in the red areas are in the teens. No complaints from folks in the eastern side of the state about heat. The zeros on the map and the cream color means their hottest days have only been in the 80s. Along with the tragic storms, May brought a lot of welcome rain to areas across the state. Hopefully, June will see heavier rains in western Oklahoma. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.